Before receiving blessing from monks, I'd like to invite everyone to close your eyes and bring your mind to the center body. Recall the good deeds that you have done. So people said, without mental development, any development is meaningless. So that the development from the inside or from our mind can be everlasting. So dana, sharing or giving, is the foundation of developing our mind. As our Buddha, when he was a sage named Sumedha, he was received forecasting from the previous Buddha that he would be the Buddha in the future. And after that, he tried to realize in which way then he can develop his mind from regular people, regular human, to the Lord Buddha. And the one thing that he discovered is dana or sharing. So that we can say that dana or sharing is the first step of a stair. The Lord Buddha ought to be the celestial being. So in another way, dana or giving is the way that people win all the defilement. As the Buddha once said, dana and war share the same similarity. Like a trained soldier with a small amount can win an untrained soldier with a bigger amount. Like sharing or giving with a small gift, a small object can win the defilement inside our mind. So that in the past, when people can win the defilement from the mind and can share, they will announce their victory as Chitangme. Chitangme is mean we are the winner, we are the winner. At this time, you offer food to the monk. It means you follow the path of the wise people in the past. Right now, I'd like to rejoice in your merit and I'd like to bless you. Name the power and the merit that you have made. May this merit bless you and your family to be happy, healthy, wealthy, and successful in what you wish. When you meditate, may you attain Prathamakaya insight, attain the inner peace easily and steadily. Right now, pour your ceremonial water and dedicate the merit to your loved one, especially who already passed away, and make a wish for yourself and your family. Apura paripurente sakharam eva meva ito tinang petanang upakapati ichitang patitang tumhang kipameva samichatu sappe purentu sangkapan Janto panaraso yatha mani jyotiraso yathan
Sappiyatiyo
Viyavan chantu samparuan kuwa vinasatu mate bhavattvantarayo sukhiyantiya kayuko bhavasampiyantiyo avivachantu samparuan kuwa vinasatu mate bhavattvantarayo sukhiyantiya kayuko bhavasampiyantiyo avivachantu samparuan kuwa vinasatu mate bhavattvantarayo sukhiyantiya kayuko bhava abhivadanasya liyasaniya jangvata pacayino jataro dhamma vadhanti ayuvanno sukham phalang tanataya nupavena ratanataya tejasatu akaro akapaya ve mangalam rakantu sapatiyavata sapathamma
ตาสัพพสังฆานุภาเวนัสสตาโสติภาวันตุเต
May the power of the true Evangel, the power of the merit that you have made place in your family to be happy, healthy, wealthy, and successful in what you wish. When you meditate, may you attain Prathamakaya insight easily and suddenly. Rejoice in your merit.